In this interactivity, we will explore the family of hydrocarbons, alkanes. Crude oil is a mixture of about 150 different hydrocarbons. Most of these compounds in crude oil belong to a family of hydrocarbons which is called the alkanes. These are some of the hydrocarbons in crude oil. Let's take this compound. So this is a hydrocarbon chain, which is an alkane. We have carbon and hydrogen atoms only. And this molecule can rotate. So this is one of the hydrocarbons present in crude oil. Let's examine this one. So again, we have carbon and hydrogen atoms. So these can rotate. Here we have the names of the first 12 alkanes: methane, ethane, propane, butane, pentane, hexane, heptane, octane, nonane, decane, ondecane, dodecane. All bonds between carbon atoms are single covalent bonds in alkanes. Let's write down the molecular formula of each alkane. So here we have the molecular formula of each alkane. For example, methane contains 1 carbon atom and 4 hydrogen atoms, whereas heptane contains 7 carbon atoms and 16 hydrogen atoms. Each successive alkane has 1 more carbon atom and 2 more hydrogen atoms than the one before it. So for example, if we take pentane, pentane has 5 carbon atoms and 12 hydrogen atoms. Butane, which is the alkane before pentane, has 4 carbon atoms and 10 hydrogen atoms. The general formula of an alkane is CnH2n plus 2. Let's now examine the boiling points in Kelvin of these alkanes. So we will plot a graph showing the boiling points against the number of carbon atoms in the alkane. Let's draw the line. So this line shows how the boiling point changes as the number of carbon atoms in the chain changes. As the alkane gets bigger, the boiling point gets higher. Because as the chain length increases, the van der Waals forces, which are the intermolecular forces acting between alkane molecules, become stronger, and thus the boiling point increases.